So I am back for my third year of Physics and Astrophysics at Trinity College Dublin, and yet again I have moved to another student accommodation. I know, you'll say, Mario, why do you keep moving accommodations? Is it because you want to make a video every time you move to another one? I won't say that's not the case, but we've also moved because of other reasons, including the area, including, just how it looks like from inside. You'll see, but yeah, so welcome back to another tour, another apartment tour. This is becoming a tradition at this point. We've done already 2 other ones in other 2 accommodations. To be honest, this may be the last one if it turns out to be a really great one and I decide not to move next year. So it may be the last apartment tour, so it's a sad moment. But still, I'll show you guys around, I'll show you my room, I'll show you the kitchen, I'll show you the common areas, and let's just go into the video. Hey, welcome to the Mario Fabelo house. Come on in. This is my new room for the year, as you can see over here. So right now we're gonna go and start with the bathroom, always. First, the bathroom. It's been a tradition already for these years. Let's start by the bathroom. Let's start by the bathrooms. So, we know automatic light, we love that. Here we have the whole bathroom, which is, I think, about the same size than past residences, but I have to say that it's nicer. It has lots of stands. Over here, lots of toiletries and like cleaning stuff. So I have here like my whole routine as always. You already know it if you watched previous ones. Random stuff like scissors, really useful. And yeah, my razor, Gillette. It's not sponsored but if you see this Gillette, please do let me know. We have like even a light behind the mirror. It is nice. And here we have the shower, which I think is the biggest improvement from all previous bathrooms that we've had. Yeah, it's like really big and it feels way more comfortable. Also has like stuff for like holding the things that you're gonna use, like gels and stuff. Because in the last one, I think we didn't have one. So we just put it on top of here, which was a bit dodgy. That's the bathroom. I think it's really nice. Let's just go and continue with the room. I'm gonna close over here. Okay, so this is the room, as you can see. It is huge, like compared to previous ones, it is huge. When I saw this, I was like, okay, I definitely got like a bigger room because I paid an extra, but I was like, it was worth it. I think it's worth it. So here we have a huge heater that will come in really handy during the winter because it gets pretty bad. It gets pretty bad, especially in January, February. So we have a huge one. It's also not pointing to the bed, which is nice because you don't get all the hot air into your face. So here I have some stuff like kitchen paper, I have some like fairy, I have some toilet paper, and this is the bed that I have. It is the same one as we've had for the other residences as well. It is a small double bed, so it is nice because 2 people can fit perfectly, and if you're just one sleeping there, you are literally... I'm literally not using any of this space here. I could even like hang stuff here, but as you know, I never hang stuff. I'm just too simple for that. And yeah, so that's really nice. And here I have one of my roommates, let's say. This is my amazing roommate. His name is Faust. I got it gifted by my girlfriend, St. Valentine's. Thank you, Lydia. Basically, Faust is like an old Spanish name, Faustino. So we just cut it short, and now it sounds like pretty modern. So this is my boy Faust. He even has flowers for you, so what a legend, what a legend. Yeah, so after Faust, it's always here guarding the room. We have my backpack, and well, here obviously like I have everything for going to class, like my laptop, and like everything goes in here. Here I have some storage, which is actually really nice, really useful. Here I have like just some clothes, some pajamas, and then over here it's all cleaning stuff and toiletries. I have like also some more of my skincare. I have like lots of products, like this is a bit too much, I'm realizing. So I should be able to get this pretty clean. Like if not, it's just, I'm useless at cleaning. Final one we have here is a bit of like snacks and like a bit of miscellaneous items. I also have lots of my like Spanish products. I have like pisto, which I use for my empanadas. If you watched last year's one, you know what I'm talking about.
Empanada, you should try it.
And well, obviously, like how could I forget? What I have almost every day is like pan tumacat. I've talked about this like in many videos, but basically, it's a thing that in Spain we have for breakfast in many places. It's literally like just olive oil with tomato, put it on top of toast, banging. This is my wardrobe, and let's open it. This is nice storage for some luggage and some, you know, bags that I use when I go to England or travel somewhere, and it's convenient because of the Ryanair restrictions and stuff. Here I have all my clothes. I have like the new Trinity College Dublin S2S. I'm gonna be doing with the guy that is filming right now. So I'm gonna be doing like a mentor thing with like first year students for physics. So that's gonna be really exciting. Right here, we also have like some shoes. I'm realizing that maybe I have too many of them. I only use these ones, to be honest, the ones that I use like for the gym and for going to classes and stuff. So maybe I should cut down on them, get them back to Spain. But here I have some gym clothes and stuff. I have one of these for running, which I want to use more, but you know, going out to run these days, it is not the best choice because it's freezing and it's only gonna get worse. Well, here I have the Irish flag. Why? Because of St. Patrick's Day, you always have to be ready. And we were also at some Ireland games for the Nations League, so, you know, we had to support. Sometimes it has some trouble closing. And that is it for the wardrobe. And here we have the amazing and one and only view. You'll be thinking it's a bit of a shitty view, maybe, is it? I don't know. We have like a whole building in construction right now in front of us. Sometimes I see the workers right there, so I have to be careful because, you know, I need to like just put the blinds down and I'm like changing clothes or something because literally I have like 20 guys looking. Like they're always here. It's like a Saturday and they're still here. And yeah, this is my whole, let's say, desk. I find it really nice compared to previous ones. First, this is actually rectangular. It's not like the one we had last year. That was like a weird thing that in the end we didn't have any space for like, you know, putting our laptop and stuff. So this one is really nice. And one of the best things is this thing right here. What a beast. Ooh, this chair made the whole decision to come here. Like it wasn't even the room or anything, it was this chair. It is a really nice one compared to other ones we had. I think there was one residence we couldn't even like rotate it, but this one is like so nice. You can even move back a bit. With this, I want to study. And here I have my things for the laundry. So it is actually also really well used in terms of space because I can just put it down there and no one sees it. And this is my good old Dolce Gusto machine. Like I've been talking about this. I think, come on, Nescafe, like sponsor me at this point. I've already been like talking about this for ages, so please just sponsor me at some point. Here I have some like random like books. I have my Kindle as well that I am reading right now, the Elon Musk biography. I'm not saying that I support Elon Musk, but it's quite an interesting one, to be honest, quite a character. And yeah, I also have the Book of Normal People. The famous one, there's like a TV series, I've talked about it. I've even like used clips from it sometimes. I have my calendar that my girlfriend gifted me. And there we are in London. We went to see Harry Styles at Wembley. I'm a 1D fan, so, you know. And here I have some bottles. I have another one that my girlfriend gifted me. The Coral one, basically for those of you guys that have watched the interviews, you know what I'm talking about. If not, just go check them out. OG sponsor of the channel. Not anymore, but you never know. We may reunite paths. Coffee, I have also Nesquik, which was one of the best discoveries in my life. My friends and I thought it was really bad because it just diluted water, but in the end, it is quite addictive. I don't know what it has, but it has something that is probably not legal. Here I have my teas. This is the one I've been talking about for ages. This is crazy. Like, for sleep, this is the best thing. It's also super nice. Spiced apple, vanilla, chamomile, passion flowers. Oh my gosh. And then the other one I have is like a focus one, which I don't use much because I'm always locked in, so I don't need it. Here I have like my YouTube gear, kind of editing as well. So I have like the microphone that I use in the classic Asking Trinity students. This is legendary. This will be already in a museum. So I have like this clock that you may remember from the 24 hours at the library. Oof, what an experience. I just bought it for that literally, and now I have it to kind of give it some kind of purpose. But I bought it only for the video, to be honest. And here I have my wireless charging thing. Also, my girlfriend gifted it to me. I feel like everything is from my girlfriend at this point. And here I have this lamp, which is also the one that I've been having since first year. It just does that. Has no kind of levels or anything, just on or off, and that's it. But it works, it works. And yeah, so over here I have kind of a bin. I think this one is fancier than last year's one. And right here we have a mirror, obviously. Need to have a mirror to like see how you're doing with the outfit of the day. if you're looking fresh. And here I have like some stuff for like hanging things. Obviously my sick discomfort cap, this is legendary. And then we have like the gym bag that I have, Lululemon, great brand as well. And here I have the Uniqlo coats that I have. Also, I love Uniqlo. I'm mentioning so many brands at this point that, you know, any of the brands, if you see this, please, I need sponsorships, I need to pay my tuition, so. And right here, we have the last part of the room, and it's just, you know, for hanging clothes. Good old vacuum cleaner. This thing is legendary as well. And that's it, that's the room. So let's just go into the kitchen, which is also one of my favorite things. And you'll see the view. The view is actually really nice. So let's just go into the kitchen. So, welcome to the kitchen. Right here we have my friend Krishna. How's it going? How's it going? We're gonna be like doing some chill nights playing. Well, we already played some golf and some FIFA, although he always beats me at FIFA. Let's start by here. So here I have some storage that I also share with Krishna. Krishna is above, I am below. I have this. Yeah, literally Alex gifted it to me with like some other Irish friends. What a nice gift. It's Mario time, it's me. Here we have, you know, sinks, we have some place to like let things dry. We have recycled bin, and we have also like a normal waste bin. Yeah, we also have like 2 stations here so that it's not like too crowded, so we can operate. And here I have like all my stuff basically that is not like for the fridge. Granola from Lidl. This peanut butter, which is a bit expensive, but it's the best thing I've ever tried. Although my American flatmate criticizes me because he says this is not the original American one. It's really healthy, it has no palm oil. Extra virgin olive oil. I wasn't able to get the Spanish one, but we'll have to keep with the normal one, which is probably from Spain, to be honest. And here we have more stuff. I have some, you know, some pans for cooking things in the oven. I think I showed this last year, but this is my Spanish tortilla flipper. It's like a professional one. You just get the pan, beautiful. And here we have the fridge, and here the freezer. So it's a bit different because last time we had like a whole fridge and freezer, but now we have like separate ones. So that means that the space is a bit different. I have some padron peppers that I can buy from Dunn's, they are Spanish. My classic barista Dunn's oath. I love this. Also because I feel like when I got to Ireland, I got some kind of intolerance to milk. I don't understand, I never had any problem, but then I started like having lots of mucus. I had to quit, and yeah, I feel a bit better, so that's why I'm doing that. We have a nice table. You can see a few twigs right there because someone from the flat like give us, every one of us, like one of them, so that's very nice. I'll take it. This right here, guys. So we have actually pretty nice views, except for the building that is in construction, but we do have like nice views over that area. So it's a nice view. It's a nice view. It's better than the like bus container that we had in front of us last year. So we'll take the upgrade. We also have 2 microwaves. Microwaves? Here are the microwaves. They're grand, we'll use them. And they're also pretty clean. Stations for cooking. And here we have the good old toaster that I bought last year because we didn't have a toaster in our past residence. So that's basically the kitchen. And right now let's just go to the common rooms. And yeah. So this is one of the main common rooms. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because this music is pretty copyrighted. Every step you take. Really nice area for just studying and like chilling. It's not the study room, but we can just hang out here. It's like a cafe within your student residence. So it's a really nice place to just come, grab your coffee, talk with some friends, maybe do some work. In here we have some space, some nice plants because in theory, like seeing green, I read something about that. It's like makes you feel happy or something. Some place for like boiling water. And here we have chargers, like everywhere we have chargers. There is lots of common spaces in this residence. That's one of the main reasons as well why we came here. And yeah, let's just go and see more of them. So right here I am entering the gym. We've had previous gyms in other residences, but this one is crazy. So here is the gym. Has a bit of everything, a bench, 2 treadmill, a cable machine, some weights. It is just great, to be honest. Okay, so this is the area we saw before we saw the table tennis thing. So here we also have for some more space for just hanging out and stuff. So it's really nice to have actual spaces for it, so you don't have to stay the whole day in your room. Okay, so this is the interior patio that we have. That is connected with another one that we'll get to, but nice space to just do some reading and relax. Right now it's a good day, not too cold, so yeah. And let's go to the connecting patio because we have like 2 that connect. So this is another inner patio. We have the bin store. There we have the bike store. And we have here like kind of chess thing, but there's no chess pieces. That's what a guy from the 5th floor would see if I was right now here doing a video, and they would be like, why is this guy doing this? But yeah. Right now here we have the cinema room, which is now closed because we have to book it, but we'll book it eventually. And here we have more space. We have another table tennis. We have a pool table. What else can you ask for? More space for chilling or doing some studying. And this is what they call the TV lounge. So basically here we have like a huge TV. And we also have a study room, like last year, but I feel like this one is bigger and a bit nicer. So you can see over there, but it is a really nice space and lots of light. There's also like an actual like meeting room. So we'll make use of it. So right now we're gonna go and check out the terrace, which is another really nice part of the whole accommodation. The card, where's my card? Roof terrace. As you can see over here, roof terrace. And ignoring the whole construction work again, we have a really nice area. We can have a nice time here. It's not too bad because it's like surrounded by buildings, so we don't have that much wind, which is quite a thing in Dublin. To be honest, if I compare with like the last terrace, this is not as nice because the other one was huge. This one is a bit more minimal, but to be honest, I like minimal stuff, so I'll take it. So we also have the spire, as you can see. It's also a tradition to just see the spire from our terrace, so we'll continue the tradition. So I hope that you enjoyed this apartment student residence tour, the 3rd one. And if you want to check out my previous ones, here they are, my 1st and 2nd year ones. If you're looking for student accommodations, which is probably what you're doing and why you're watching this video, then go check this out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.